Let's have a look at our first example, which is this line. So this searches for a regular expression inside the string. And you may be wondering, where is the regular expression? And of course, regular expression is that one. So this is maybe the simplest example of regex, and it looks exactly like a literal string, and that's the way it works. It describes a pattern that's made of the letters H, E, L, L, O, and this pattern obviously matches this word. So far so good. You see the search returns an object. It's called a match object. There's nothing magical about the letters M, O, that's just a variable name, but normally people use that to remind themselves that they've put a match object inside. And as you see, it offers several methods. The first one will show the part of the expression that's matched, in this case the entire word hello, and the second one will show where it has matched from character 13 to character 18 of that string. Now obviously that by itself is not very exciting. After all, we can do the same with the index method of a string that looks for a substring within the string. But it is a lot more flexible. For instance, in this second example, you see I've introduced a simple element of regex syntax, which is square brackets. Now square brackets denote a set of characters, one of which is supposed to occur in the pattern, so they are alternatives. Here I have uppercase H, lowercase h, and E or A, and each of these alternatives is processed independently. So if I try to match a string, it will match at two locations. Here I'm using the findAll method, the findAll function of the RE module in order to match, to find all the matches. And if you run the string, you will see that it finds both of them, and it returns the matches as a list.